Hi, I'm Rebecca Roundtree with Osa Tropical Properties. I would like to welcome you to Villa number 18. This is in the planned community of Vista de la Montaña in Ojochal. Let's take a look inside. This home is completely turnkey, ready for you to just move in. Completely furnished, has everything including dishes, all the small kitchen appliances, linens, towels. You're good to go. Take note of the beautiful high ceilings and the cedar wood throughout the doors and cabinetry. This particular home is beautifully situated within the community. It has these expansive mountain views and it's bordered by pasture land. This is the gorgeous master suite with an ensuite bathroom and patio doors that lead out to the terrace. This beautiful villa would be really suitable for a couple or a young family with children. There are several expat schools located here in Ojochal, and already some families are living in this community. This home is perfectly located directly off a paved road, very easy access, 2 to 3 minutes to fabulous restaurants, grocery shopping, 5 minutes to beautiful beaches. Thank you for touring this property with me. I'm Rebecca Roundtree. Please contact me with any questions or to schedule your private tour.